Hello there, I'm Albert, I'm a RUBI international promoter, and today we're going to talk about scoring wheels. One of the great advantages of RUBI tile cutters is that we can adapt to every material only by choosing a correct scoring wheel. But how can we choose the proper scoring wheel for each situation? It's easier than it seems. One way of classifying the different scoring wheels is by diameter. Here you have all the diameters RUBI makes, from 6 mm to 22 mm extreme. Each one of them has its purpose and it's designed for a specific material. How can you know which material is designed for? You can just check it in the chart, which is in the packaging or in the website. So we have the 6 mm for wall tiles, 8 mm for porcelain tiles, 10 mm for glazed stoneware tiles, 18 mm for rustic dress, 22 mm for hard materials, and 22 mm extreme for hard, rough, or structured materials. Another way to classify the different scoring wheels is by the shape of the blade of the scoring wheel. So in 6, 8, 18 and 22 extreme, we have a very open angle blade, which makes a better finishing because it doesn't go deep in the material. While 10 mm and 22 mm, they have a smaller angle, so it goes deeper in the material. Why do we want to go deeper in the material? Because sometimes materials are very hard to cut, or we have glazed stoneware which has 2 layers and we need to go deeper to make a perfect cut. This is how we choose between scoring wheels according to the material we're going to cut. These are only recommendations, they are no rules. So the best way you can have the best scoring wheel is by trying several scoring wheels in the same material so you can have the perfect finish. But in the last years, as you know, materials have been changing, making them more difficult to cut. So we came up with different classification according to other variables such as surface finishing, if it's rough, textured, hardness of the tiles, thickness of the tiles is not the same to cut 8 mm tiles than 20 mm tiles, or internal tensions, which is a very important thing in large format tiles. Depending on how difficult to cut is a material, we will use one of these 4 kinds of scoring wheels: silver, gold, endure, or extreme. The silver scoring wheel is the classic RUBI scoring wheel with tungsten carbide, very good quality and very good performance, designed for low to medium difficulty materials. The gold scoring wheel is an enhanced version of the silver scoring wheel. It has a titanium carbide covering on the wheel, so it provides with 50% more lifespan. The difficulty of the materials we will use it on is medium-high. The Endure scoring wheel, available in 8 mm, is an enhanced version of the silver 8 mm scoring wheel. The main difference is that the wheel is made on high-quality tungsten carbide, the support is made of mechanized steel, and its lifespan could be 2 times the one that the silver scoring wheel. It's designed for high difficulty materials. The extreme scoring wheels are designed for extreme materials, available only in 22 mm. The main difference is it's mounted over ball bearings, so it makes the wheel slide better. Also, the wheel is made in tungsten carbide with a titanium carbide covering, so it provides with 3 times the life of a normal scoring wheel. So as I said, this scoring wheel is designed for high difficult materials. Also, the Endure and Extreme scoring wheels come with a special packaging that we can use for storing the scoring wheels when we're not using them. And now let's make some cuts. So we have seen how to choose the proper scoring wheel. If you have any question or suggestion, please refer it to our social media or our website. See you soon.